What is up, guys? Welcome to the demo for Social Studio. In this video, we're going to go from step 1 to step 4, and we're going to show you how stupid simple it is to create posts for Instagram. First things first, we have this page, which is called the create page. If you went through the sign up process, if you went through the login process, you will come here, and this is where the bread and butter of creating a post happens. Essentially, what we're trying to do here is we're going to give the topic of our post. So I have over here self-development motivation, and the way it works is you type in, let's say, motivation, you see the self-development, and you see the motivation, which means the niche and sub-niche. You can select as many niches as you want over here. So let's say, for example, if I want to generate two niches, and I want to do something about blockchain advantages, right? So we have two posts generating for two different topics. We're going to go ahead and hit generate posts. When this happens, our AI goes in the back, searches through our massive database, creates posts for you on the fly, and then comes up for this exact content structure. So over here, on the right side is a sample preview. Keep in mind, this is not something you want to edit right now. That's the next step. And on the left side is the reviewing your content itself. You can go ahead and you can change whatever you want. You can change the heading, you can change the subheading, you can change the caption. The hashtags are automatically generated. We look through the hashtags and find the best ones for you to be able to grow. So all these things are done for you, pre-planned for you. You don't have to move a single finger. But if you do want to go in and change something, it's all up to you. Now, let's say, for example, you don't like the content here. You can always hit refresh and it will generate new content for you. And if you make some changes, let's say I want to add another question mark, all you have to do is save. It will take care of the rest, and you can do this for every single post. Next step is actually the editor. You probably saw a video of the editor on the Google Drive already. Their step 3 is a very, very, very robust step. You can essentially do whatever you want to do with these posts, but let's just say, for example, we want to choose a different template for this one, and we want to go with something, I don't know, let's say in this situation, I like this one. And we can change whatever. I'm not going to go into the template manipulation that much, but what I want to show you is what the next steps look like. You can go ahead and click generate post. Now, there's a credit system in place. You can see the credit over here on the top right. Essentially what that does is tells you how many credits you have left. One post is one credit. So right now, we're trying to generate post number 1 and post number 2. And all we're going to do is hit generate post. It's going to ask me, generating these posts will require 2 credits. Are you ready to proceed? Yes, we are. Then we should see our little robots working over here. We're putting together everything for the hashtags, the subheadings, all that. As you can see, it's very, very fast. And let's say demo, and we say yes, save. And it will automatically give you a download prompt right after. It might take a few seconds to come up, but the download comes in and you want to save it. And I'm going to show you how it looks in the saved part. So I'm going to open the downloaded folder. We're going to see the images that came up. For example, demo 1, the images are in a separate folder within that. And we can go in and we can see and change whatever we want to. So let's say we click this one, how to keep motivation high. Obviously, we didn't put a lot of time into the templates, but we can change whatever we want into it. And this is simple and easy. We can get out of here and we can take a look at the Excel sheet itself, which is the demo.csv. This has all your information about what it looks like from heading to subheading to caption and hashtags. You can copy and paste it wherever you want, however you want. That's pretty much step 1 to step 4. Very stupid simple.